making significant progress with Measure S on phase 1. Modena STEM Center project framing is complete and roofing will begin in the next 2 weeks. There are major steps towards final completion because once the roof and walls are up, interior work can be expedited. And then we have Villa Park High School. The STEM Center is making headway and moving closer to scheduled completion. The ground floor walls have started to get framed in, and the second story concrete floor has been poured. As required by code, fireproofing of the steel structure continues with the installation of sprinkler systems. In addition, the installation of the HVAC ductwork has begun. At Canyon High School, the STEM Center is also progressing well with the framing of the exterior walls being put in place with finalization of preparation for ground level concrete to take place. We're so excited to see the beautiful facilities come together and can't wait until we can open them up for our students and community. So I'd like to thank our Facilities and Planning Division, Scott Harvey and his team, and our partners for Measure S for the great work that's going on.